In this tutorial, we will see that how you can get notes in Messenger in just few steps. So let's dive in. So if you open Messenger, on the left top side, you will find your profile picture and plus icon. If you click on that, it will open this new note. But in case if it's not showing on your Messenger apps, so there are some of practices that you can do to enable this option. So simply close it and open your settings. Open apps. Then you have to open this Messenger. In Messenger, open this storage and cache. And then you have to clear your cache of Messenger app. After clearing cache, click on this clear storage. It will reset your Messenger settings and you will get default settings for Messenger. If you click OK, then the first method is done. Now you can check if your Messenger is showing notes or not. If it's not showing, then the last method is to open Play Store and search for Messenger, and then it will show here update option in place of this open. So if it's showing update, you have to update your Messenger. After updating it, your problem will be fixed.